Thomas, and I'd like to welcome you to the island of Sodor. I hope your journey here was a pleasant one. Mine sure was. My friends and I have been so excited to know you were coming, and we are all ready to show you why it's great to be an engine. You can play all stories on It's Great to Be an Engine, or you can go directly to the Fun and Games Court, where Cranky can lead you to game adventures. Or, if you'd like, you could express yourself directly to the story of your choice. It's time to leave the station, so let's get started. It's Great to Be an Engine features 7 different stories for you to enjoy. Press the red arrow button to see more choices. It's time to leave the station, so let's get started. Hi, I'm Cranky, and I'm unloading some fun games and activities for you to play. Welcome to the Read Along Depot, where you will get a chance to either read along with a narrator or read alone at your own pace. Hello, I'm Toby, and welcome to Sneak Peeks. Don't forget to check out Day Out with Thomas to learn about how Thomas can come to a railroad near you. ThomasTheTankEngine.com is loaded with exciting features and news about all of your Island of Sodor friends. There are lots of activities and fun games to play. You can also find out about Thomas events and visit Sir Topham Hatt's office. Have fun. It's time to leave the station, so let's get started.